Where can I buy a newspaper?
Tadin sa koi tenga kalay thay ding hiam.
Where can I buy a newspaper?
I would like to exchange this, please.
Happy na to ken hi khe ngoming.
I'd like to exchange this, please.
Where's the closest store?
Hito kinai ten pen sai koi tengam hiam.
Where is the closest store?
I need to get my mother a present.
Ken kanu le song kalay kuring hi.
I need to get my mother a present.
I need some toothpaste.
Na za po hat kisam.
I need some toothpaste.
Do you sell light bulbs?
Hiti na zwa ku ya.
Do you sell light bulbs?
How much does this cost?
In bang sa mana.
How much does this cost?
Do you have wheelchair access?
Tu na pe ne te to pai na na ne hiam.
Do you have wheelchair access?
May I try this on?
Hi sin thay diam.
May I try this on?
Do you have a guidebook?
Do you have a guidebook for Washington?
Washington lam lak na ne hiam.
I'd like 2 bottles of water.
Tu tho ni ken de ying.
I'd like 2 bottles of water.
Please pay at the counter.
Sum piang na happy na to pian.
Please pay at the counter.
Do you have a map?
Do you have a map of New York?
New York ki mi pong na ne hiam.
I'd like to buy some souvenirs.
Amat ya le song ding po khat lei noming.
I'd like to buy some souvenirs.
I would like to buy 4 stamps and 4 postcards.
I would like to buy 4 stamps and 4 postcards.
Ken lai lu li le kat li lei noming.
Where can I buy batteries?
Battery koi te kalay thay tam.
Where can I buy batteries?
Is the bank open?
Ba na ti hong ya.
Is the bank open?
I'm looking for a flashlight.
Ke dat me khat a zong ve ngo.
I am looking for a flashlight.
Do you have a smaller size?
Isa nga neo zo na ne hiam.
Do you have a smaller size?
This is very expensive. Can you give me a discount, please?
Hi tamman lua happy na to nong hiam thay dia.
This is very expensive. Can you give me a discount, please?
Amman lo mama happy na to nong hiam zo dia.